a flood warning for the Pemigewasset River at Woodstock from this evening until late tonight. At 4 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 7.6 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 9.4 feet later this evening. The river will fall below flood stage overnight. Impact at 9.0 feet, minor land flooding. The National Weather Service in Gray has issued a flood warning for the Suncook River at North Chichester from Friday afternoon until Saturday afternoon. At 4 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 4.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage tomorrow and continue to rise to near 7.6 feet by tomorrow evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Saturday morning. Impact at 7.0 feet. At 7 feet, about 5 campsites are flooded at the Lazy River Campground.